Hey Valeria, yeah, we're in Courthouse Square in downtown Stroudsburg, and it's a much different scene than it was just a few hours ago. The snow has slowed down a little bit. The flakes right now are coming down. They're very fine, and in the light, it almost looks like glitter. They're so light and fine as they fall. But earlier today when we were making our rounds in Monroe County, oh, there's a plow truck coming through right now. Gotta love live TV capturing those moments. They're out and they're working hard here. But earlier today when we were out and about, people say it's about time we get this amount of snow. Trudging through the mounds of snow on the sidewalks, people braved the elements on Main Street in Stroudsburg.
I do a lot of walking and I had to get outside. So I was hoping to get a hot drink, hoping to go to Starbucks for a hot chocolate.
Many shops closed during the storm. Others welcomed customers in. It's a sight you don't see on Main Street every day. Usually cars fill the parking spaces. Sunday afternoon, ATVs and snowmobiles took their place for a meetup among friends.
We started out in Saylorsburg, took all the back roads. There was a bunch of snow, and here at our favorite watering hole.
When they woke up this morning and everything was out here, got pretty pumped. So it's dumping good. It's the winters we used to have growing up. It was what it reminds me of.
Route 80 was blanketed with snow, slowing down anyone out driving. Plow trucks made their rounds. For other people in the borough, they got to shoveling and snow blowing, trying to stay ahead.
Fortunately, it's really light, and so it's not too bad to shovel, but we've been out here, my sister and I, probably like every half hour, every hour shoveling, because it just keeps coming and coming.
For many here in Monroe County, it's hard to remember the last time so much snow fell.
I was really glad that it was something, because, you know, if it turned out to be nothing, then people don't believe the weather reports. Next time when they do say it's going to be bad, they're like, oh no, last time they said that and it was fine.
People brave enough to venture out say luckily winter doesn't stick around forever, and with every inch that accumulates, another memory is made.
Yeah, this stuff's awesome, and you know, it's so temporary too, right? We only got a couple months of it and it goes quick, so get out there, freeze your butts off for a little bit and have a good time.
Now, several schools in Monroe County have already canceled for tomorrow, including county offices as well. Those employees aren't going to go to work tomorrow. But the snow is still coming down a little bit, and as you can see behind me here, the mounds of snow from the plows clearing everything from the roadways, it's really adding up. So the next thing is getting everything cleaned up tomorrow. Emily Kress, Newswatch 16, reporting live in Monroe County.